Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on E1ULife review. This is to help get you started with your own online business going into the year 2023. Now, with E1ULife, as you can see on the screen here, it says sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner with commission rates starting at 80%. Now, this video is to go over exactly what is E1ULife and how you can earn up to $2,000 commissions with this company. Okay, so what is E1ULife? E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. Okay, so some of the products that they have are built for you websites, custom sales pages, custom multi-page funnels, custom logos, email templates, etc. Okay, and they also have an amazing affiliate marketing program that pays out starting at 80% commissions, and it can go as high as 94% commissions, where you're earning $2,000 commissions per sale. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically where you promote a company's products and services, and when someone decides to purchase one of their products and services using your affiliate link, then you earn a commission. That's all that affiliate marketing is. It's been around for years, and there are many companies, like tens of thousands of companies, including very well-known companies, that have affiliate programs. And just to give you an example, Walmart has an affiliate program, and so does Amazon. Walmart, you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. Amazon, their affiliates are called Amazon Associates, and you can earn up to 20% commissions on some of their products. But usually you're earning between 3 and 4%. Okay, with E1ULife, you're going to earn starting at 80% commissions all the way up to 94% commissions. Okay, and another thing that separates E1ULife from other companies is that with like Walmart or Amazon, it could take 30 to 45 days before you receive your commissions. So you have to wait that long in order to get paid. But with E1ULife, you get paid instantly through Stripe. Okay, so as soon as the sale is made, you get your commission. Okay, it's paid out to you through Stripe. All right, so let me show you what the commissions are for each product level, and then I'm going to show you exactly what you get for each product level. So for Elevation Basic, you earn a $25 commission. Elevation Elite, you earn a $100 commission. Vertex, you earn a $250 commission. Vertex Elite, $500 commission. Vertex Pro, $1,000. And Vertex Live is $2,000. So every time you sell a Vertex Live package, you're going to earn a $2,000 commission. And you do have to own the Vertex Live package in order to be eligible to earn $2,000 commissions. Okay. Now, again, commission rates starting at 80%. Okay, which is one of the best commission rates in the affiliate marketing industry. So it's pretty simple. You create a free account with E1ULife. All you have to do is enter your name, email address, and home address to get started. Then you choose one of the web packages that best fits your business needs. And then once you become a member, you have reseller rights. Okay, you have reseller rights where you can resell these packages and earn commissions. And then you receive your commissions instantly through Connect with Stripe. Okay, so E1ULife has a team of developers that will create built-for-you websites, landing pages, and opt-in pages for your business or organization, or just to brand yourself. Okay, they can create custom multi-page funnels, which help to turn your leads into customers. Custom email templates that help you to stand out in your customer or your potential customer's inbox, so it doesn't get lost in the other emails that your leads are getting. They can create a custom logo based on your specifications, so like what colors, what you want your logo to look like. You know, this will help you to brand yourself or your business. They can create custom design social media images that you can use on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And there's 24/7 customer support team available to answer any of your questions. So all you have to do is send a message to any of their customer service representatives who are ready and happy to help you. So here are the different 6 web packages that you can choose from. I'm going to start with the top one, okay? The top one is Vertex Live, and it's a one-time payment of $2,500. All of these product packages are one-time payments, okay? Now with this is the best value that you're going to get Vertex Live right here. And the reason for that is that you get everything with Vertex Live, and it's only $2,500. Now I've done searches on Google on prices for all of this work, custom work that companies can do for you, and you know it ranges between $5,000 to $10,000. Okay, and that's just for the website. Okay, this other stuff like a multi-page funnel could start off at $2,000 up. The custom logo, yeah, you can get a cheap logo done on Fiverr or something like that. But if you want a professionally designed logo, it's going to cost a couple of $1,000s. The custom, the other custom work, opt-in pages, social media pack, email templates, all of this is going to cost like at a minimum $5,000. So you're getting a great bargain for $2,500, getting all of this custom work done for you. Okay. Now, the lower packages, you're not going to get everything, but I'm going to show you what you're going to get. Okay, Vertex Pro, one-time payment, $1,100. You get everything except for the Built For You website. Vertex Elite, one-time payment, $550. You get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the Built For You website. Vertex is $275. With this one, you get the custom opt-in pages, social media pack, and the custom email templates. Elevation Elite, $110. You get the custom opt-in pages and the social media pack. And for Elevation Basic, you get it's $30 one time, and you get the custom opt-in pages. Okay, so the higher product web package that you purchase, the more customized work that you get. Okay. So, depending on what your budget is and what your business needs are, you choose which product level to come in at. Of course, the best value is the Vertex Live for $2,500 because you get everything, okay? And not only that, you become eligible to receive commissions at all of the product levels when you come in at $2,500 Vertex Live, okay? So again, you get paid instantly through Stripe. When you connect to Stripe, your commissions will be paid out to you after each sale. So there's no waiting for your payment for your commissions, okay? Here are some testimonials from some of the affiliates inside of E1ULife. You can check those out by going to the first link below in the description area or in the comments. Just click on that link, put in your name and email address, and you'll go to this web page right here, and you can look over this web page yourself, okay? So that's basically it as far as what you're getting and how the compensation plan works. Okay. Now, for those who may not have the funds come in at the highest level, which is Vertex Live. Okay. Normally, if you come in at one of the lower product levels, you are not eligible to receive commissions on the higher web package levels. Okay. Like for instance, if you come in at Elevation Basic for $30, you're only eligible to receive $25 commissions, and that's it. Okay. And like Vertex Elite, if you come in at that, you're only eligible to receive commissions on Elevation Basic, Elite, Vertex, and Vertex Elite. Okay, you're not eligible to receive commissions at Vertex Live and Vertex Pro. However, just recently, they came out with something that will help you to earn commissions on these other product levels that you don't own. Okay, even if you come in at the $30 level, Elevation Basic, they have something called a bridge license. And with the bridge license, if you sell a Vertex Life package, you'll earn a 50% commission, which is $1,000, even if you come in at Elevation Basic. Okay, so let me show you that and some other things that you get with it. All right, so This was just recently made available to us probably about a couple of weeks ago. It's called E1U Marketing Pro. And with E1U Marketing Pro, this is a complete marketing system that goes with E1ULife. Okay. Now, this does have a monthly payment. It's $49 per month. But let me tell you what you get included with this. There's a lot of great stuff that comes with this. First, you get the promo response, which is an email autoresponder. And you can use that email autoresponder to build your email list with E1ULife. Okay, and basically you can use this promo response for anything, basically for any business you're in. But you get access to this email autoresponder and it's automatically included with E1U Marketing Pro. There's no separate payment for this. Okay. Now, the next one is called Promo Host. This is a hosting service. So this customized work that you're getting, the multi-page funnel, the built for you websites and the opt-in pages, you can have them hosted on E1U's hosting platform called Promo Host. And this is automatically included with E1U Marketing Pro. So you don't have to pay a separate payment for this either. Okay. Now you also get there's some training videos back here and stuff. I'm not gonna move down the page because it's gonna reveal people's information, personal information like email addresses, so I don't want to show that. But you get opt-in pages. Okay. Right now there are currently 10 opt-in pages you can choose from to promote E1ULife. You've got sales pages back here. Right now there's 5 different sales pages you can choose from to promote E1ULife, and you just got finished seeing one of them right here. Okay. And then you have the reseller bridge license. Okay. The reseller bridge license is what I was talking about. You must own at least one of the packages. Okay. Even if it's the lowest one, which is the, let me go back to it. Elevation Basic for $30. Okay. Even if you just own that one, that's perfectly fine. You just need to own at least one package. Any package you don't own, you can sell and earn a 50% commission. And your referring affiliate, okay, the person who brought you into E1ULife, they will earn 50% commission as well. Okay, so you're basically splitting the commission, the full commission. Okay, and you can do this over and over again until you upgrade and own the specific package, which at that time you will get 100% of the available commission. So for instance, if you're at Elevation Basic and you're making these $1,000, which is the 50% commission on Vertex Live over and over again, once you have enough money to upgrade to Vertex Live, you pay that. Now you're eligible to earn the full commission, which is $2,000 commissions over and over again. Okay. So that's basically how it works. And it shows what the 50% commissions are. Elevation Elite is $50, Vertex $125, Vertex Elite $250, Vertex Pro $500, and Vertex Live is $1,000. Now, if you do come in at Vertex Live and you purchase that particular web package level, I still highly suggest that you get E1U Marketing Pro for $49 per month. They do have an annual payment. If you don't want the monthly payments, you can check that out also. But depending on what your budget is, you could just come in for $49 per month. They do have what's called a Vertex Live bonus ladder, where you can earn up to $350 in bonus money, okay, in addition to what you're earning on each of these product levels, okay? But you'll learn more about that once you get E1U Marketing Pro. You'll learn more about how you can earn up to $350 in bonus money on top of that. Okay, so this is what you get with the E1U Marketing Pro. Again, it's only $49 per month. To get all of this included, the email autoresponder, the hosting platform, the reseller bridge license, so you can earn 50% commissions if you're not at Vertex Live, and the Vertex Live bonus ladder if you are at Vertex Live. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Now, there's another thing that you also get with these product levels. You get you get training. You get video training at each product level, and it can range from mindset training to physical health training to business training on how to get traffic, how to generate leads, and how to convert your leads into sales. Okay, so right now I have an example of one of the product levels, Elevation Basic, where you get the opt-in pages, and you can request your opt-in page right here, and you just fill out the form, whatever. And on here on the right side, you have all of this training, hours and hours of training. And for the Elevation Basic level, most of the training is based on mindset training, setting your goals, personal transformation mastery, entrepreneur disruption, millionaire success mindset, 28 success tips, the empowered life, self-confidence transformation, self-discipline mastery. Okay, so there's hours and hours of training in each one of these product levels that will help you in all areas of your business. You're developing your business mindset and also your physical health, because you can have all the money in the world, but if your health sucks, what good is it? What good will the money do you? So that's basically it as far as E1ULife is concerned. If you're ready to get started with E1ULife, just go ahead and click the very first link below in the description area. I'll also have a link in the comments area as well. Put in your name and email address and you'll go to this page, and all you have to do is click where it says start now and fill out the information. Make sure that I'm your referring affiliate. My name is Michelle Roebuck. Make sure my name is on there. Okay, and just get started. So if you liked the content in this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me talking about E1ULife or talking about other different ways of making money online as an affiliate marketer. Go ahead and do that. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on E1ULife review, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.